Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable macaroni soup. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh vegetables, your favorite macaroni, and a good quality broth. Don't forget the seasonings to bring out the best flavors. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Wash and chop your carrots, celery, and any other veggies into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, sauté some onions and garlic in a pot until fragrant. Pour in your broth, bring it to a simmer, and season it well. This step builds the foundation of your soup's delicious flavor. It's time for the macaroni. Add your pasta directly into the simmering broth. Cook it according to package directions, aiming for an al dente texture, which means it's firm to the bite. Stir in your prepped vegetables during the last few minutes of cooking. This ensures everything is perfectly cooked and the flavors meld beautifully. Almost done, give your soup a final taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary. A pinch of salt or pepper can make a big difference. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. Now, your delicious homemade vegetable macaroni soup is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.